The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, Van Buren County in southwestern Michigan, Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was moving along a line extending from 26 miles west of Holland State Park to 21 miles west of Saugatuck to 13 miles northwest of New Buffalo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will occur. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Holland, Allendale, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Allegan, South Haven, Coopersville and Wayland. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.